torrential slide is a mid-position cryptographic money at present valued at $17.01 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $5,562,098,253 in a significant manner. Over the especially past really couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including torrential slide, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and for the most part are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards. At this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $17.01 where it at present especially sits in an exceptionally enormous manner. As currently referenced, Avax especially is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 19th spot in worldwide digital currency ranking. The extremely metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the really current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which basically is very critical. On account of torrential slide, the market capitalization especially remains at $5,562,098,253. The significance of this boundary will be most certainly made sense of later, which really is very huge. Yesterday, on April 24th, Avax especially was esteemed at $16.87 at the turn of the two exchanging meeting. Fundamentally recollect that digital forms of money basically are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period especially added up to 0.22%, showing how as currently referenced, Avax truly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 19th spot in worldwide digital money ranking. The sort of metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the extremely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they fundamentally thought. 7 days prior, on April 18th, torrential slide certainly was exchanged at $20.51 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its certainly present position, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. On Walk 25, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $16.86, the cost level that is at the distance of 0.92% from where it right now stands. Further appearance how the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period certainly added up to 0.22%, exhibiting how as currently referenced, Avax fundamentally is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 19th spot in worldwide cryptographic money ranking. The essentially metric that not set in stone by duplicating the extremely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which generally is very huge. The cost of a Avax and the readings of 114 in a real sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a truly significant way. Market capitalization by and large is another significant genuinely metric that truly assists traders with essentially deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibility. It's additionally used to really survey the offer that torrential slide truly holds inside the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market, which generally is very critical. The equation for the computation of market capitalization truly is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to truly is duplicated by its especially current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of a Avax explicitly remains at $5,562,098,253, enough to name it the 19th most certainly the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on April 24th, the market capitalization of torrential slide sort of remained at $5,511,032,142 in a for the most part significant manner. 7 days prior, on April 18th, the capitalization of a Avax in every way that really matters was $6,690,792,898, or so they basically thought. A month prior, on Walk 25, how much kind of capital streaming around this by and large specific market basically added up to $5,491,449,978, which in a real sense is very huge. Most digital money financial backers most certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances which for the most part are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market in a fundamentally huge manner. It's sort of obvious that the by and large previously mentioned market capitalization of torrential slide permits to in every practical sense order it as the mid-cap digital money that has a place in the generally safe gathering in an especially huge manner. Since we explicitly have proactively referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, It would in every practical sense be somewhat fitting to essentially dedicate a piece of this report to the stock of a VAX, which in a real sense is genuinely critical for kind of your data. There truly are three sorts of supply for essentially every cryptographic money: the very greatest stockpile, which by and large means the quantity of coins that would for the most part be created on an exceptionally specific blockchain all through its present, but for the most part all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the task. The circling supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in fundamentally different words, that especially are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The sort of most extreme stockpile of torrential slide basically is 720,000,000 AVAX. The especially all-out supply of a VAX presently in every practical sense remains at 423,003,783 coins amazingly. The coursing supply of the digital currency under survey fundamentally is 326,941,063 AVAX in an unpretentious manner. This torrential slide cost expectation wouldn't basically be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the really metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move. Kind of additional appearance how it's kind of obvious that the sort of previously mentioned market capitalization of torrential slide permits to explicitly order it as the mid-cap cryptographic money that has a place in the OK gathering, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain fundamentally is happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume, there generally is a kind of high likelihood that this move basically is impractical and would basically bring about a bullish snare, showing that since we basically have previously referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, it would explicitly be essentially fitting to give a part of this report to the stockpile of a VAX in an exceptionally huge manner for the most part. Subsequently, it's vital to, in every practical sense, break down the kind of past and the really current exchanging volume of a VAX request to sort of comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength. Exceptionally further appearance how 7 days prior, on April 18th, torrential slide generally was exchanged at $20.51 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its certainly present position, which in a real sense is very critical. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the torrential slide market basically was enlisted at $162,327,402 in a truly significant manner. Yesterday, on April 24th, AVAX sort of had an exchanging volume of $135,253,879, kind of additional appearance how it's likewise used to essentially evaluate the offer that torrential slide in a real sense holds inside the whole digital money market, which generally is very critical. 7 days prior, on April 18th, the truly normal, truly everyday exchanging volume on that market for the most part added up to $504,653,192, showing that the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period especially added up to 0.22%,